Okay, now let's begin part 6. In this part, I will explain the postfix, the antispam with the Spamassassin and amavisd. In chapter 15, the postfix antivirus with the ClamAV. Okay, chapter 14, postfix antispam with the Spamassassin and amavisd. So here, I will show you how to configure postfix, amavisd, Spamassassin, and ClamAV. So here, postfix is MTA, and the amavisd, this is a kind of the scanner, and the Spamassassin is an anti-spam program, and the ClamAV is an antivirus program. So here, first, I will configure the amavisd to accept mail from the MTA and pass it to ClamAV and the Spamassassin for checking, and after that return it back to MTA for delivery. And after that, the amavisd will use the NMTP listening on TCP port 10024 to accept mail from MTA and then pass it to ClamAV. And this one, the ClamAV will use the local, the scanned mail and the Unix socket, and you will use the Spamassassin using this one. And after that, this one, the amavisd will be the mail will be returned to MTA using TCP port 10025. It means now the postfix use the port number 25 as SMTP, and normally the postfix is using the SMTP protocol, and this one, if the mail arrive, then this port number 25, will deliver this mail to port number 10024. And this port will transport to the amavisd daemon. And the amavisd daemon will send this email to ClamAV antivirus program and Spamassassin daemon as your anti-spam program. So if the ClamAV and the Spamassassin receive this kind of the mail, they will scan or check the spam, the email. In case of the Spamassassin, normally you use the Razor or this is as a filtering program. And if they complete to scan or check the anti-spam spam the email, then they will return this email to amavisd daemon, and the amavisd daemon will transfer all this email to this port number, and the postfix SMTP server will decide maybe if this emails belong to the spam or virus program, then we'll send here. And if there is no problem in the email like virus or spam, then the SMTP server will deliver the user's home directory. So in this video, I will show you how to set up the SMTP as a postfix and amavisd and the ClamAV and Spamassassin. So first, I will focus on the Spamassassin and the amavisd. Okay, first one, introduction of the Spamassassin and amavisd. First one, amavisd. If you want to use this one, please visit this website and download. amavisd is a reliable high-performance interface. So normally amavisd is act between the email server like MTA, like postfix, and content checkers like a virus scanner like ClamAV or Spamassassin like this. And normally the amavisd support the SMTP, LMTP protocols and the Unix socket as well. Normally this socket can be used to communicate with the MTA and content checkers. And amavisd already used the dedicated helper programs such as the Spamassassin permanent like this. And this one also support a number of MTAs like send mail or XIM like this. Spamassassin, this one can be used for email spam filtering service based on content matching rules. And the normal Spamassassin use the variety of the spam detection, the techniques, and the DNS-based and the purge check some the spam detections, and Bayesian the filtering, the program and external programs, blacklist, and online databases. So I think the Spamassassin is very strong to check the spam email. And this one can be integrated with the mail server to automatically filter all mail for site. And the Spamassassin awarded the Linux New Media Award in 2006 as the best Linux-based anti-spam solutions. Okay, number 2, the package installation. To install amavisd and the Spamassassin, you need to install this one first, RPM forge, and after that, you install amavisd-new and Spamassassin, and after that, checking using this command amavisd-new and Spamassassin, and after that, if we want to register this service to each the level, then use config amavisd on, Spamassassin on, and after that, you can check these services. Number 3, configuration. First one, the Spamassassin. If the Spamassassin normally use the main, the configuration file, this one, local.cf, it is a mail Spamassassin here. So at first time, I think there is no specific configuration line or the specific the values. So here, if we open this file, you can find here require hit 5. It means if the email get this kind of hit the point, then this one will be marked as a spam. And if you want to check the Spamassassin, the syntax, then Spamassassin lint. B, amavisd-new. So amavisd-new normally use this main configuration file, amavisd.conf in etc amavisd. So here, max servers 2, it means the process amavisd daemon used normally for the service. And the daemon user will be amavisd and the group as well. And amavisd will use the port number 10024. And the domain, in my case, I'm using the churl.com and the hostname server.churl.com, but I will change this one to the ms1.churl.com. And if we want to change the virus admin email address, you can change this one. In my case, I will change to the tland my domain mean the churl.com. And the others to notify this spam admin and the spam admin. If we want, you can change as well. And the ClamAV clam daemon, so the amavisd will communicate with the ClamAV. So ClamAV daemon, normally TCP the Unix socket will be created here. var run ClamAV clamsock. So the amavisd daemon must know exact the ClamAV socket here. And after that, the postfix. First one, etc post main.cf. So here we will configure content filter will use amavisd feed. This is the name of the amavisd. And the localhost and the port number here 10024. And of that master.cf, we need this kind of the configuration. So here we have to configure the exact amavisd service name here, amavisd feed Unix. And here this number is the process number of amavisd, and we'll use the LMTP and these kind of things. And this one here, localhost and the port number 125 will be SMTP daemon. So at first, the SMTP daemon will transfer all email to this port number, and this one will be transferred to this amavisd. And after that, amavisd will transfer to this email to the Clam Antivirus and the Spamassassin. Okay, and after that, let's start the service. First one, amavisd start, and after that, postfix start, and after that, Spamassassin start. And after that, please check the process using this one, amavisd and the spam. And please check. And please don't forget to check the port number 1024 and 0025. And after that, if you want to test, please access this port number. Localhost 1024 will be this one with amavisd, and this one will be the SMTP. Okay, chapter 15 first is the antivirus with the ClamAV. ClamAntivirus is open source antivirus engine designed for detecting Trojan virus, malware, and other malicious threats. So if you use this ClamAntivirus, the normally email server, all the email on the emails will be scanned by ClamAV. And this one is a standard for mail gateway scanning service. And this one normally the support high performance multi-thread scanning daemon and the command line utilities for on-demand for file scanning and the intelligent tool for automatic the signature update as well. Later you will see this kind of update. If you want access, then please visit this one, clamav.net. So in this video, I will install this kind of packages for the Clam antivirus. So ClamTK, this is a front end, and the ClamAVd, this is a virus database from the Clam antivirus, and the Clam the daemon, and the ClamAV antivirus software. And also I will install ClamSmtp. This one SMTP virus scanning system supported by ClamAV. And this one also you need to install RPM forge, and after that ClamAV db like this. And after that, at first open pressclam.conf here and comment this line, notify Clam. And after that, open the clam.conf. So here we will uncomment this line, local socket here. This one is the name of the Clam, the socket name. So the Clam antivirus will use this socket to communicate with the other program like amavisd. And this one comment, we will not use the TCP socket, so this one must be commented like this. And the username must be the ClamAV. And number B, update the database. Normally, the Clam antivirus need the database to scan all the viruses. So first, please check this directory. VALO, ClamAV, and run Clam. And the username must be like this. And if we use this command, fresh clam, then this one will update all the pattern files of the Clam antivirus. And normally if the complete this update, then normally the Clam will save their database pattern files here. And the C, try to scan. If we are successful to install the ClamAV, then we can test using this command clam scan. In fact, remove recursive, for example, like a home directory. For the testing, please download this one, lk.com. This is a kind of the testing file to include some the virus. So here, clam scan, then this one will detect this file. And the ClamSmtp, also this one, we need to install the RPM forge prior to this, the ClamSmtp installation. So install ClamSmtp and open this file, etc clamsmtp.conf. So here, I found the address. This one will use 1027, and the listen, this one will be 1026. And claim the address here, socket address. And the header will be like this, ClamAV using ClamSmtp. So now if you check the header of each email, then you can find this kind of message. And the temp directory will use vartmp. And the action, maybe if the ClamSmtp detect the virus, then this email with the virus will be dropped. And user also must be changed to ClamAV. And if that service is start, ClamSmtp start, and process checking, and the port number checking, and the register to the non-label, and the start ClamD as well. And the postfix needed to configure this one for the ClamAV. So the etc postfix main.cf. So here contact filter will be 1026, and we have to register this service portal scanning service like this SMTP. And this one also outbound 1027. This one will listen to using the SMTP daemon. And after that, the service of postfix restart. And the testing, later we will use this one. Normally the amavisd testing, amavisd normally the support the test messages. So if you go to this directory, you can find some test messages. So to use this one, we have to extract first this file. Then here you can find many the file as a test. So first one, virus testing or spam testing using this kind of file. And if you want to the testing using the Spamassassin directly, then you can use like this. This is a kind of the junk file. And the spamc, this is a kind of the client file supported by Spamassassin. So using the client file, we can test this kind of file as well. And the ClamAV as well, the service ClamSmtp first stop, and after that ClamSmtp default. This one is a debugging mode. So here we can find the ClamAV, the message, and after that we can test the virus testing and the username, and we can use this kind of sample the virus text, and the main log will show some messages about this one. Okay, then let's test here in the server part. Okay, first let's check the Spamassassin amavisd. So here, okay, first RPM package checking. Okay, also and the amavisd as well. Amavisd. Okay, before you install this one using yum, first I already told you to check the RPM forge. So if you don't have this one download from the rpmfinder.net, then you can install using this kind of command yum install, for example, amavisd-new like this. Okay, in my case, I already installed like this. Okay, and after that, first config cd, and now I'm already using the level 2, 3, 4, 5, and Spamassassin. So now I also non-level 2, 3, 4, 5 using this one. Okay, at first let's go to the Spamassassin. So here let's open the local file. So here the line number 7 require hit 5. So if some mail get this kind of point, then this one will be marked as a spam mail. Okay, and after that, etc amavisd the conf here. Okay, etc amavisd.conf. So here, line number in my case max servers 2. The amavisd daemon will use the children process 2, and the daemon the group. And my domain will be the child.com, home here, TMP, and port number. Port numbers. Okay, let's check the port number. And also here, my network address here, I will configure already. And this one, socket port number. So amavisd will use this port number. Okay, and after that, so if we want to change this kind of email address for the virus admin, so in my case, I change like this. The TLN, my domain is just churl.com, like this. And my host name, so in my case, I will change this one. MS1. Okay, and let's go to the Clam Antivirus. Okay, yeah, line number the 380. So here, ClamAV, ClamDemon. So this one, please check the clam, the socket, the path. So here, the ClamDemon will create the socket here. Okay, then it's complete. And after that, let's go to the Postfix. First main. So here let's go line number the 696. Content filter amavisd feed, the port number 10024. And okay. And after that, the master. So here let's check the service for the okay here line number, in my case the line number 53 amavisd feed. So here I configure the 5 line and the fifth line number 59. So here for the SMTP daemon, so we receive this one, the email from the 10024. So here I will create this kind of the options as well. Okay, and after that, service amavisd, in my case restart. And service Postfix restart as well. And Spamassassin. Okay, then let's check the process. amavisd. So now amavisd master daemon and using to the children process and spam. So also this one using spam, this daemon. Okay, then let's check the port number 4 and 25. Okay, then let's try to connect 24. So this one we can see amavisd-new service ready. And if you want to start, just quit. Okay, so now amavisd daemon will now preparing for the work, setting the service and 25. So this one, this is a Postfix daemon. Now this one using the TLS as well. So quit. Okay, then let's go to the Clam Antivirus first. Let's check the package. ClamAV Antivirus. So, and after that, ClamSmtp as well, ClamDemon, ClamAV, ClamAV, the database, ClamJet, ClamTK, like this. Okay, then let's go to etc fresh. So here, normally this one, please remember the press-clam will update the pattern files. So database here, and the update log file will be the fresh clam will save the log file here. And after that, if the ClamAV want to update the pattern files, normally will access here. So if you want to change, so you can change the database server host name. Okay, notify here. Okay. So line number 102. So please comment this line. Okay, and after that, clamd.com here. Okay, let's check the. So now the line number 80 local socket, the clam daemon will save the socket here via learn ClamAV clam the socket like this. And please comment line number 96 TCP socket here. Okay, and after that, let's check the user line number 189. So user, please change the ClamAV. Okay, then it's a complete. And after that, please check var log. So here must be the user ClamAV. So if we want change like this, ClamAV var log ClamAV like this, and the var learn as well, learn ClamAV. So and after that, the fresh clam, the pattern file will be updated by the fresh clam. So here in my case, the button number and the signatures like this. So now try to connect here. Okay, then now the database updated like this. Now at first time the signatures number like this 104, and this one, but like this is a change. And this database normally. So here, this database from the Clam Antivirus. Okay, then now clam scan remove. For example, home directory. Okay, then in my case, I can see this kind of the message scanning file and no infected file. Okay, let's, okay, here, in my case, I already download elka.com. So here, so elka.com has this kind of text here. Okay, so here, let's test again. So now root. Okay, so here we can find, so Elka test signature found, and this one is removed. So here I cannot find because this one is removed by clam scan. Okay, then let's check the clam scan, ClamSmtp. So in my case, I already installed this one, ClamSmtp. Okay, open the configuration file. Okay, line number 6, the outbound address here, and this one, ClamSmtp, will open port number 10,026 here, and the clam address socket, you have to check this socket path. At the header, normally, if you receive the email, then the ClamSmtp will show this kind of the header messages. And the TMP directory and action drop. So here you can select the bounce or pass or drop. In my case, the default is drop. And the username is a ClamAV. Okay. Okay, then the service, let's start. ClamSmtp start. And after that, service clamd as well. So now this one is checking or show this kind of messages. Even if you see this kind of messages, okay. This, I think this kind of the one, just the warning message. Okay, here just let's check the process. So here ClamSmtp, and after that let's check the port number. This one open 1026 like this. This is so open as well. Okay, then let's go to the postfix. Okay, here main. So here please check the line number. In my case, line number 697 content filter scan, and this one will open this port number to scan the email, and the master as well. So for the master, I already copy like this, scan service. So now this one using the SMTP, and the outbound port number will be the 10,027 port numbers. And this one will normally authorize the network address only the local host. Okay, then service first fix as well. Restart. Okay, for the testing, let's go to share DOC amavisd test. Okay, so here I can find this kind of the testing message supplied by the amavisd. So here, let's test. First one, mail. Okay, here, tail. Here, okay, then let's test BS virus testing. Okay, linuxchar.com and sample virus simple text. So here you can find this kind of the messages. So virus, the testing signature. And one more thing. Now let's sample spam gtube junk. This one also you can find this kind of the messages. Okay, then okay, so here C, and after that let's check the Spamassassin first, this one to check the exact syntax. Okay, no problem. Okay, then Spamassassin debug the sample spam g2 junk file. So if you test like this, you can see this kind of message by the Spamassassin. Especially here, the spam checker button, Spamassassin and the flag level. So here now that this mail got a score 1000. Normal the default score as a spam is 5, but this one got a 10,000. So this one normally will be marked as a spam mail. Okay, then the spam C. Okay, then sample spam G2 junk. This one by the client. So now you can see the point. This one, the default is a 5, the standard, but this one got a 1,000. But here, let's check. Sample, no spam. Sample, non-spam. Okay, let's check this one. Okay, this one is a default score is a 5, but this got a just 0. It means this is not a spam mail. So using this kind of text message, you can check or test the Spamassassin. Okay, then let's test the spam. Okay, ClamSmtp stuff. Okay, and after that, ClamSmtp debugging mode. Okay, here let's test. Mail. Okay, here USI share DOC. Share DOC amavisd and test here. Okay. Okay, let's check mail. Just test. User will be Linux charles.com and text message sample virus simple. So now this one, the ClamSmtp shows some messages. So here's the receiver. And okay, here let's check. So here, ICA test signature found. So virus found like this. So virus detected and discarded the email. Okay, then let's go to this one. So this one received this one, but this is the testing. So now the claimed SMTP detected this email. Okay. So far I show you how to configure the virus, antivirus, and anti-spam using Spamassassin, amavisd. And for the virus scanning using ClamAV and Clamsmtp. And see you next video.